Good morning. Today I'm going to trade um, ES, or gold and crude oil CL. So I already made a trade early in the morning in here for $160. I'm 153 up for today. I do have a little different layout, so I can show what's going on with the Renkos and also with the point and figure charts at the same time, and to show what would be the trigger to entry the to en to enter the trade. Okay, so in this case, the trade was the 1x box above this previous X box right here. So in the target was $80 per contract, for a total of 160. So this one it came up positive. Um, let's review what we have for news today. There's no news, so we can expect that the market is going to be relatively flat or in range. So the targets, I don't expect any runners for today. They could happen, but I don't expect it. So the targets are going to be very modest, probably $80 to $100, and that would be it. So basically, an scalping day, instead of a large range. As far as targets, let's review the higher time frames. I do have as well other point and figure charts that I'm looking at, not only the 240 and the 30 minutes. Let's review the 240, 240 and 30 minutes first. ES is still moving up, so the 240s looks toppy, but they look still to the upside. So ES is momentum is down. So with the potential to retrace back a little bit, it's been extended for a while now. So we'll see. 30 minutes in ES is flat to the upside as well. So all the moving averages are pointing up. There are some indications that this one could be a lower high, but ES can still move up a little bit. Gold is moving up. In the 240s is bullish, and in the 30s also is bullish. The last bar is being a little bit iffy, so indicating that this could be still in the range, right? So could move in this area here before move up or down. And then crude is moving up. 40 minutes it's to the upside. 240 minutes is to the upside, and 30 minutes is to the upside as well. So that's that. I said that I had other point and figure charts. So this one is one. Let me see. There you go. So this one is a 5. Okay, this one here is a large bar. So this one is 2.5. So in the 2.5 is ES is still bullish, retracing back a little bit. The gold is in the range, moving up a little bit, but retracing now. And this one is a a one measure. Okay. So in crude in this one is actually behaving very nicely in the third in the point one, which is double size of the other that I was trading before. So double size of this one. So this one looks like it's going to break on the higher time frame. It's worth it to look at it. And then I do have other ones that are that is this one here, which is double size. So this one is a 5 point. This is a 5. Okay, sorry. This one is a 2.5, and this one is a 5. So double size. You see how it's been moving to the upside. And I do have some Fibonacci's here. So it's retracing. Here we have a 10 bar and trying to paint the 11th bar now here. So we'll see if it keeps moving up. Most likely it will. It's looking for setups today, not trading, because I think that we this one make go higher, but since there are no news, probably this is not going to go much higher. We'll see. But looking for setups. This one wouldn't be a setup because I need this one to retrace a little bit and then go to the upside. Although in here I could have a setup, right? Within this uptrend now, this one can go paint a wick out of the 18 EMA or the 34, and then move up. Keeps moving up though. So it seems that in the higher time frame, wants to go to the upside in the 0.1 block on the point and figure. And it's also is breaking this it's trying to break this high level now. Let's see. $84.76. It's trying to break $84.76 to the upside. So that would be also a trigger in the Renko, a break of that level. And it's right there, trying to break. 84.74, 84.77 is breaking. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna take this break and see if it give it to me or comes back. It's a little bit extended already, so we'll see. But it's breaking above this 84.76 in this uptrend. I'm not going to risk the full $200. If it comes back, then I'm gonna sell it right there. And again, looking for $160 profit, risking right now 200. I can reduce this a little bit if it comes back. So if this break fails, Seems that it wants to come back. If it fails, then I'm gonna stop it and then try it again. If it cannot stay above 84.76. So 84.76, I'm gonna give it two. Now I'm gonna give it three, so $140. We'll see. I'm looking at the other markets as well. So 60 and crude. It really doesn't have the strength to go, it seems. 850, that's the time. Let me see, 750. What am I saying? So the resistance on the in the floor pivots is it seems that resistance 1 is 84.98, right up above this level up here. I'm gonna put stop. I'm gonna reduce even more, 120. Let's see if it moves. If it doesn't, then it doesn't, right? Thing is, it's getting a little bit slow to move to the upside, so sometimes that's not a good signal. The break needs to be a break and then moves higher in a good speed. Drifting higher. Seems that gold wants to go to the upside here in the Renko. Taking too long. I'm gonna take this I took it. So 165. Probably it should have stayed, but it was taking too long on that break. I will regret it for sure. But it is an extended take, right? It is already. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 breaks to the upside. It may, for sure, it can go higher. But it's a second entry right here, so since I'm not taking a runner, I'm just taking a you know two contracts at the same level. So 165. Seems that gold wants to give a trigger as well. Yeah, crude keeps going higher. Want to wait for another entry signal here in the point and figure. I'm sorry, I'm making some noise because I'm fixing the microphone. I may put this one in mute instead for a minute. Okay, back. Yeah, crude is going to maybe explode from here. 84, 84, 84, 83 is the price. We'll see if it gives us another entry. So gold would like to go higher above. Let's see. What price would that be? Oh, 038. Here we have a higher low, 03. Let's see. 037, 038, very close to the resistance. Resistance 2. Maybe a little bit extended. We are playing in a range today, so no news. That means no good news. The news gives some volatility to the markets that we would like to have. So the expectations today are not that high for the markets to make big moves. Definitely this one is crude is drifting higher here. In the big chart, already painted the 10th, the 11th box. So I'm gonna go here and change this to 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11th. So the largest we have in the last couple of weeks has been 15. So it's a little bit extended. Let's see here. Let me expand this just to make sure that I'm. There's a large one here also. This one is 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it is about this. There's another one large here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 as well. So we can go with 14. 14 to 15 boxes. Gold going sideways right here, double top in the range. And crude drifting higher in the 11th box, still 84.84. Trying to break to the upside, actually, gold. Crude. There you go. $84.86. Let's see if it gives us another opportunity to go in. $84.90. Actually, $84.87. $84.88. 89. $90. $84.89. Wants to paint another one. There you go. Let's see if it goes all the way to the higher level here. or to the high of this box. Painted it, but it hasn't reached that price yet. Now, there you go. 92. That would be the target that I was looking for, $160. Maybe not. So almost at the $80, not yet. ES is still in the range. Gold is still in the range. Trying to break, probably to the upside. There's an up, down, and then if this one goes up, closes with a box here, that is a bullish sign for gold. Seems that crude is going to be a runner today. We'll see. Yeah, it's moving higher. That was the I'm gonna paint it as well because this one was I took that trade. I didn't make any money at all, but I took the trade. It was probably break even. I'm gonna put I'm gonna mark it as break even. Gold is doing this up, down, up, and I'm gonna take this one. Let's see the trigger. Let me see the DOM. Nope, it did not take it. I'm gonna take it at this level now. And if it doesn't trigger, it's gonna trigger this one up here. Which is the break on this. Okay. Oh, it didn't trigger it. Let's see. Mistake. Let's see if it comes back a little bit. Okay, now it triggered. Let's see, hopefully it doesn't come back. It seems that it wants to come back. If it paints it white, I'm gonna get out. Target is $200 with the 100 per contract, just above this resistance up here. Let's see if it triggers it. $120. Seems that it did. $200 there. So I'm gonna mark it. $200 right there. And it wants to move higher, but I'm cool. 358. This runner is kind of like a bummer. I should have, well, I would, I could, and I didn't. That's fine. Seems that gold wants to break higher on this level up here. Gold, which is, let's see, $1804.60. See, it's gonna range. I bet that it's going to range the whole day. So it's good that we're going for just a low target, $100, right? On that break. That's it. Point and figure is coming back as well. ES is in the range, not moving away from these pivots. So we have a pivot high here with a trigger at this high level. See the blue line there? Let's move it a little bit down so you can see it better. This one, this level here, above 45, 46 wants to, it would break to another target right there. But the range is very, very tight. Crude wants to come back a little bit and reset. Gold resetting right here. In a double top in this level, 1804.60, kind of. Gold coming down. Gave us a kind of a lower high here, which is this one, kind of double top, lower high, and coming back in the range. Crude is drifting higher. Wants to come back here, but it doesn't. It has not. Most likely it's going to keep moving up. That would be okay. Yes. Moving up a little out of this week. Still in the range, and with some good support up here, but wants to go up. Wouldn't be surprised if it gives another point. We're at let's see, in this we are 5.24 in the last move, 5.24% in the last move here. So he wants to go higher. $8.18. So we are 2 minutes away from the gold pit open, ghost pit open. Let's see what it does. Gold giving a wick out of the cloud right here and above the moving averages. Crude moving up as well. Maybe painting another the 12 box right here. Yeah, the gold pit is opened. Crude at 85 almost. touch the 85. There's one little entry right there, 3 bars before, 3 bars ago. Just a little wick. Let's see if gold give us another target here out of this range. Seems that gold wants to go higher. We'll see. Still in the range. Crude wants to break the 85. It is doing it. ES coming back in the range still, nothing there. Gold is also in the range here, would break above 804.8. That would be a bullish entry. Right around that area right there. It is though. And crude is resistance right there. Resistance 1, 85.09. But it wants to break it. See if gold gives us this entry at 8. Let's see here. Again, I'm not expecting big moves in the market in ES or or gold. So I'm going to low targets, and this was that it was kind of like maybe I wouldn't say a surprise, but I was not expecting larger move in crude, and that's why I just took the break-even entry there. Lower high in gold above the cloud. Still in the range, nothing here. Could reverse below this circle box here. Still in the range. Very risky to take this. Let's see if we get a reset on crude. Crude is the one that I like the most now. Gold trying to make another attempt to the upside. Momentum is flat, kind of. Flat to down, I would say. Still thinking about that entry on the break even. Gold making a reversal right here. Threaten the bottom of this. Still, that one is a counter trend. So not taking it, but because I like the 30 minutes to the upside in the 240 in gold. So if it breaks this one, it's kind of like, okay, you broke it, nice. But it's in the uptrend, so not taking it. I've been willing to take it above this level. ES wants to move higher. Double bottom forming here with a wick out of the cloud in gold. Still in the range, nothing to do. No news today, remember. So most likely we're going to have a boring Monday. I could have had 3 targets off today, but with this break even, I'm only 2. Okay, gold is moving in the range. Wants to go higher. Gold is moving higher, actually, triggering this in the range, triggering this This line right here, blue line. Okay, let's see if it gives us the entry. Boom, almost. This one is a risky move, but I'm willing to take it. See if it respects the break. Seems that we're going to be in pretty soon. Yep, we're in. Let's see if it doesn't reverse. Seems that it's in a strong move, so we'll see. Going for 200 there. Coming back. Something happened with my... It's coming back. For some reason I cannot move. Oh, there you go. I'm gonna reduce the risk one tick. I'm gonna reduce the risk a couple of ticks more. Coming back. Seems that doesn't want to go up. Come on. So my risk is now 150, 160. $140. Painted the white bar, so if it keeps moving down, I'm out. Bouncing back up. Seems that it wants to go down. Yep. Down. Took me out. I'm at 190. Okay, that was a loss. Taking it here in this break. I think that it was 120, I think. I'm gonna calculate it later, but I'm gonna paint it 920 now. Bummer. Crude coming back. It's gonna be a range day. I mean, I shouldn't take that many trades today. Should have been happy with my 390. And it's trying to break again. Yeah, taking this one at second resistance, R2 is kind of like way riskier than in this one, right? This one is an R1 only, and this one is the pivot, the floor pivot right here. In the middle of the range here. So there is let's look at this. So 61.8% retracement in crude. So right about the time at 50%, it should have a bounce. Gold trying to go up again. And it's triggering a wick. Let's see if this attempt make it. A little bit farther than before. This is a riskier take right here, and it's going to failed again, it seems. Finding some resistance up here at this level. Failing on the break again. Gold is moving down. $100. 140. Yeah, it seems that it's going down. One white paint and I'm out. Oh, we'll see. Okay. Let's see if it comes. It's ranging. I'm out. $83. It's gonna be a range day. I'm out of here. Okay, thank you. That's it.